Hi, I've just walked about 3 miles around the Greenway here in Nashville on this beautiful sunny day. And the word for today from Ray is walk. Reminds me of a young boy many years ago who had to walk everywhere that he went. And he asked his dad, "May I borrow the car?" And the dad's son said, "If you would do two things, I'll let you borrow the car. First of all, bring your grades up. Secondly, get that long hair cut." That was back in the days when it was cool for boys to have long hair. So about 3 months later, he returns, he shows his dad his report card, and yes, he's brought his grades up. And he said, "Dad, now can I have the car when I need it?" He says, "Son, congratulations on the grades, but you haven't cut your hair." He says, "Dad, Jesus had long hair." And Dad said, "Yes, and you notice that he walked everywhere that he went." You know, there was a time when Jesus went to a well, a spring actually, probably on top of a thermal with hot water and minerals in it, and there was a man who'd been lying there for days and weeks wanting to get in the water because it had healing qualities. But every time he would try, somebody else more mobile would slip into the water and he would miss his chance for a miracle. So Jesus said to him, "Take up your bed and walk." And he did. You know, walk is a good word, and we often say to somebody, "Walk your talk." And that's the word for today from Ray. Walk. Walk your talk every day. God bless you.